All right, guys, here we go. We're going to count them down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cut them loose, guys. All right, guys, pick your drivers one more time. Is it going to be James Toller? Is it going to be Dustin Wiggins? Is it going to be Mary Hurt? Casey Cheatham, Tyler White, Travis Pearson, Jeremy Steele, Larry Dave Cameron, Danny Cameron. Guys, like I said, let's pick your driver. Remember, we have 2 first-time female drivers in this event. First-time female drivers right here. I'm sure these women are cheering these guys out here. I promise you that. All right, let's not take it over. All right, number 8, 11 star. 8, 11, Jeremy Steele. He's trying to do some damage down there. Right here in the center. Top right. 11 stars. 11 stars. Top number 2. Other place here. Number 4 stars. Travis Pearson flying right down the other end. Who is he going after? Guys, looks like these drivers are right up to the end. What's going on out there? Looks like Toller and Wiggins is on that top. Toller and Wiggins. Guys, the number 5 car right there. Casey Cheatham making a good solid hit. What's that going on down here, guys? We've got one down in the bottom. All right, nice solid hit right there. Nice solid hit for number 5 car, Casey Cheatham. All right, your first one out. This first one out of the second event is going to be the number DP90 car, James Toller. Down here in the corner, looks like Wiggles is just pushing number 4 car, Travis Pearson, all over the track. Looks like we're going to line back up. Where are we going here, guys? Where are we going? She was absolutely not scared of him. All right, looks like Jeremy Steele is lining up. Where is he going to be? That's a nice solid hit right there by Casey Cheatham. Danny Cameron stuck right here in the middle trying to get something figured out what's going on. Got 3 of them lined up right here. 3 of them lined up. Looks like Mary Hurt. Mary Hurt is trying to drive through the whole hit. These guys are locked up solid. It's like Mary Wiggins off of the embankment right there. Where are we going to count now? Is he going to go back to her? All right, guys, let's pick our drivers. We've got all of them into one. Let's pick our driver. Pick our drivers. You're going to be the number 225 car, Mary Cheatham. Number 5 car, Jackie Cheatham. Number 7 car, Tyler White. Number 1 car, Travis Pearson. Number 11 car, Jeremy Steele. Number 50 car, Wesley Steele. like we still got two other stuff right here in the middle. Tyler White and Travis Pearson hung up. All right, guys, we're going to stop it here for just a minute. We got something going on the track. Like I said, we'd like to... All right, guys, the reason why we went ahead and stopped that, nobody was hurt or nothing going on. Number 811 car right there, the 811 of Jeremy Shell. That is your med dog for the second heat. We're going to go ahead and pull him out. He is advancing on through the feature. All right, we get him outside of the arena, get him pushed out. Come get him done and get him out of here.
Well, walk down to the seat.
We're going to leave him up in there. We're just going to kind of barricade him off in the corner. All right, we get everybody back in line. Get everybody back in line. All right, guys, we ready to count them down? All right, guys, we're going to count them down. We're going to go down to 2 cars. Remember, right there, the 811 car, the Mad Dog, he is out of the car. We're going to go ahead and he's going to go on to the feature. We're going to leave his car here. All right, guys, we're down to the last few. We're going down to 2 cars in this heat. We're going to count them down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, count them loose. Up on that car, we're going to do our best to get off of there. All right, guys, looks like we still got the 15-year-old drivers in here. We're showing these guys that they're absolutely not afraid of you. So, who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? The number 225 of Mary Hurt. It's going to be the number 5 car, Casey Williams, or Casey Keith. Number 7 car, he finally got loose here. He comes around the front part of it now. That's Tyler White. Logan, or Lincoln Shield, number 50 car, or number 32 car. We've got 2 down here in the mess right now. Looks like the number 5 car, stuck down in the middle, stuck down here on the wall. Hopefully she can get herself cut loose here before we got to have her break. All right, looks like we've still got several of them. We've got 5 cars. All right, the next one to place be out is in the 32 car, Danny Cameron. All right, we're still down to 5 cars. I'm sorry, 4 cars. 5 cars. I'm sorry, Casey is still in. Casey is still in. He's telling them, come hit me a little harder. Tell them she wants to hit me harder. Get me off of here. Get me broke loose. Looks like she is stuck hard. All right, guys, like I said, we've got a few cars here still running. Number 50 car, Lincoln Shield. The number 225, Mary Hurt. Number 5 car, Casey Cheatham. Number 7 car, Tyler White. Number 91 car, Dustin Willigan. Alright, solid right here from Lincoln Shield on the rear on the tire, backside of Tyler White's car, driving him up into the wall. That may or may not have been a fatal hit. Alright, looks like he's going to just push him, just going to keep pushing him on. Wiggles looks like he was able to squeeze through the middle right here and see what he's got going on. Alright, looks like nothing. Wiggles is stuck. Alright, guys, looks like your next one to go out. We hate to see it. Number 5 car, that's Casey Cheatham. Alright, give her a big round of applause. Still down there. We're down to 3 cars. Down to 3 cars right now. The number 50 car, Lincoln Shield. The number 225 car, Mary Hurt. And number 91 car, Dustin Wiggins. Who's going to be the next 2 to go? Who's going to be the 2 to go? Down to 3, we need 2. Down to 3, we need 2. All right, looks like Mary's having a hard time getting the car running. Looks like she's trying her best to get it going. Trying her best to get it going. All right, looks like Wiggins gonna make a solid hit. Make a solid hit against Logan or Lake and Shell. Looks like Wiggles just gonna keep bouncing back and forth, making his hit. All right, we're down to 3, need 2. We're down to 3 and need 2. Who's it gonna be? Oh, that's it. Right there's your top 2. Right there's gonna be your top 2. Going on to number 225 of Mary Hart and number 91 Dustin Wiggins.